Hi guys, it's me Nero again, and I got another unboxing. I just ripped it open, so I won't waste your time. It's actually pretty hard to get open. So let me just pull this out. Just stuff with my address, I don't want to show you guys. But this is what I got. A pull-up bar, or chin-ups. Told you guys, it's not nothing big. Just a quick unboxing. Just open this here. There it is. Let me take that out. And it's called the Doorway Gym Bar. Right there. Basically twist this and it's going to attach itself firmly to the wall. If you don't trust it, you can use the wall mount, which it comes with, or you can just easily do this and it will attach to your wall perfectly. I'll do an installation video after this. So that's basically it. It's really nice. It's heavy, it's dirty. It's rubberized at the end, so it will grip to the wall. And that's basically it. And it's pretty cheap too. It's about 40 bucks, I assume. And it comes with this, the wall mount. Right here. This is the wall mount. If you if you don't trust it. Comes with all the stuff to put it on the wall. And this was just a quick unboxing, guys, and I'll probably put up me installing it to the wall. Alright, thanks guys. Hi guys, this is me installing it to my door frame. I don't have a tripod on me, sorry, so this might be unusual. So basically what you do is twist the two ends. Whoops. So it almost fits the door. So right here. Hold on a sec, alright? Alright, so as you can see, it's on my wall. But remember, it's still not tight. If you just grab onto it right now, it'll just fall. So what you have to do after this is basically you have to twist this like this. Just keep twisting it until you think it's tight. Keep twisting and twisting until it gets hard to twist. Alright, I think I'm just about there. See guys? It's really tight. Let me try it. It's not gonna come down. Sorry I can't do a demonstration for you guys. I don't have a tripod on me, so that'll be hard. Let me try if I can. Let's see if this will work. Actually, I think this might work. I just have to put something behind my camera. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna work. Alright, let me show you one pull-up, because that's all I can do. Did you guys see that? Do you guys trust me now? Alright guys, so that's it. And this is the Doorway Gym Bar. If you guys want the link to the guy I bought it from on eBay, just personal message me and I'll send you a link. Thanks guys. Remember to comment and hit that subscribe button. Later.